Hey guys, welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty, super delicious Nando chicken wings. So in a bowl you're going to add your wings, sprinkle some salt, black pepper, a teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste each. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken Nando sauce. Then lastly you're going to squeeze a lime or a lemon. Then mix your chicken wings very well and cover with the foil and let it marinate for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. So meanwhile, while our chicken wings are marinating, we're going to go ahead and make this tasty chicken nando sauce. So in a small pan, you're going to add some olive oil, 2 pieces of garlic and mix them properly. Then you're going to add some spices, which are paprika, some salt, black pepper, Italian spices and more nando sauce, approximately 1.5 tablespoons of nando sauce, so those chicken wings can be nicely coated inside and outside as well. Then add a teaspoon of honey and lastly add some lemon juice and mix everything well and let the sauce to cook until the sauce becomes super thick. After 30 minutes to 1 hour of marination, our chicken wings are ready and it's high time to bake our chicken wings. I'm going to use an air fryer or you can also use an oven. Place your chicken wings in the air fryer and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes on both sides until the chicken wings are nicely cooked and have this amazing golden brown color. And once ready, remove them and place them in a bowl. Oh yes, look how those chicken wings turned out. The outside was crusty and the inside was so soft. Damn, the chicken wings was super delicious, finger licking. You need to try this recipe. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up and of course share and do subscribe on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia, Laltia, and see you next time. Doo-doo!